liked that roar, guys. Yes, we did too. I've got to say, I've never been more excited about a restoration project than this red Lamborghini we're about to tackle. Right, straight from an old abandoned barn in a rusted and distorted condition, we are going to restore this red beast. So what we've got here is a 1985 Lamborghini Countach, and holy moly, it's seen better days. But don't worry, we're going to turn this rust bucket into a raging bull once again. Strap in, folks, because this is going to be one heck of a ride. Trust me, guys, artificial intelligence is really a boon. It has helped us a lot in this restoration process. Let's get cracking, shall we? All right, guys, let's dive right into this beast. First things first, we've got to strip this bad boy down to its bones. It's like peeling an onion, but instead of tears, we've got rust and grime. Giving it a good sandblasting to get rid of all that crusty rust. You know, it's oddly satisfying watching years of neglect just disappear. We're also reinforcing some weak spots we found, because safety first, am I right? I mean, we want this bull to charge, not to crumble. Right, so now we're getting to the good stuff, the heart of our raging bull. We're rebuilding it from the ground up, making sure every component is perfect. It's like a jigsaw puzzle, but way cooler and with more horsepower. Moving on to the bodywork, and yeah, it's a bit of a nightmare. We're having to fabricate some panels from scratch because the originals are just too far gone. Now that we've got the chassis cleaned up and reinforced, it's time for a crucial step in our restoration journey: applying the primer. We're using a high-quality primer filler to ensure that every nook and cranny is covered. It's like giving our Lamborghini a protective shield, prepping it for the layers of paint to come. Watching the primer go on is incredibly satisfying. It's like we're giving this old bull a fresh coat of armor, ready to tackle the roads once again. And that iconic red? We're going for a deep, rich shade that'll make this Countach pop like you wouldn't believe. It's gonna be so red, it'll make tomatoes jealous, you know what I mean? We're making sure every inch is covered, no shortcuts here. It's a meticulous process, but it's absolutely worth it. Alright guys, we're in the home stretch now. The interior is coming together beautifully. We've gone for a mix of classic and modern, keeping that 80s vibe but with some 21st century comforts. This red beauty isn't just a looker, it's a proper screamer too. I've got to say, seeing this Countach transform from a rusted wreck to this gorgeous machine, it's been one heck of a journey. But boy, oh boy, was it worth it. It's like, we've breathed new life into a legend, and I can't wait to take it for a spin. Well folks, we've done it. A 1985 Lamborghini Countach, brought back from the brink and ready to turn heads once again. This project has been an absolute blast, and I hope you've enjoyed the ride as much as I have. Remember, with enough passion, patience, and elbow grease, any car can be given a second chance at life. So, don't be afraid to tackle that project car in your garage. Until next time, Keep those engines roaring and those projects rolling.